You searched how to buy shares of Hunyvers SA. Hunyvers SA is a European company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALHUN.PA, and this explanation is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALHUN.PA to locate Hunyvers SA. Confirm you have selected the correct Euronext listing before moving on. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart on the platform. Check that the company profile, exchange, and the ALHUN.PA ticker match to ensure it is the right stock. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, then review all order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will queue until it opens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or queued. Check the description for the example eToro link if you want to explore the platform.